Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Yesterday I canned some green beans and I also dry canned some green beans. Yeah, you heard me right, I did not add any water to the jar. So today we're going to do a comparison and a taste test to see what we like the best. I'm really excited to do this. Now these are my traditional green beans. They're the Blue Lake green beans. They are canned with salt and added water. This is just like almost everybody in America and probably all over the world too cans beans. It's the way I've always canned. The beans stayed full in the jar. There was no shrinkage, and this is just your typical green bean. Okay. It's kind of mushy. It breaks easily. Just exactly what you expect. Okay. Now these are my dry canned green beans. Notice how they shrank. Okay, they did not have any water in here to help keep the liquid in. But there is moisture in here, folks. There was a little bit of moisture on the bean from where I washed it, plus the natural moisture that was actually inside the green bean. So I'm excited to try this. I've dry canned potatoes, and let me tell you, those are so much better than the traditionally canned potatoes with water. So I am fully expecting these green beans to taste the same way, much better. I hope I'm right. Hey, that was a fantastic seal on that. I would do a replay on that, but can't reseal it. They smell good. Okay. They look good. Let's see the texture. They're not quite as easy to break as what the other ones are. They're just a little bit firmer, which I kind of expected that. There's a big difference whenever you bite them. Guys, to be honest with you, that's a totally different flavor. I'm pleased. I'm very pleased. It's like baking a potato and bullying a potato, difference-wise. That's the best way I can describe it, except it's green bean instead of potatoes. But this is really, really good. Do you want to try? Is it good? Okay. Do you want to try one of these over here? Okay. Okay. Which one do you like better? This is the original way we can, and this is the new way that Mama canned them last night. Which way do you like best?
Yeah.
Okay. The way that this one right here, the way that we just done. Okay, awesome. There you go, guys. Kids are known for telling the truth. Alright, guys. There you have it. 2 for 2. We like the dry can better. My garden is just now getting ready to come in. I've canned 11 quarts of beans, and the rest of the beans that I can throughout this season will be canned this way. So I am so glad that I done a search and realized that I can actually dry can green beans. You guys just don't know how excited that makes me. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Hit the button, hit the notification bell, and folks, we'll see you on that next video.